Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the voltage divider rule. The rule is very important when we are making simple circuits. Here is the explanation of the voltage divider rule. When an resistor array is connected to the power supply, the voltage across any resistor is equal to the supply voltage multiplied by the fraction of that resistor divided by the total resistance of the array. So let me explain in more details. Here we have several resistors connected in series. Then the total resistance is also connected to the supply voltage, which is given by the VDD. So the voltage across the R1 is V1. The voltage across the R2 is V2. And also the voltage across the Rn equal to Vn. So when we calculate the V1, we can easily obtain that value by using the voltage divider rule. So according to that rule, the V1 equal R1. R1 is the resistor in front of the V1. So multiplied by the VDD, which is supply voltage, divided by the total resistance of the array, which is given by the R1 plus R2 plus ... Rn. So similar to the V1, we can also obtain the value of V2, which is given by the R2 multiplied by the VDD divided by the total resistance of the array, which is again similar to the R1 plus R2 ... plus Rn. So now we can go for some simple example. So here the supply voltage equal to 5 volt, and we have three resistors, ohm 1, ohm 2 and ohm 2 again. So those are connected in series. So then if we need to calculate the V1, we can easily obtain by the theory. So first we need to find what is the resistance in front of the V1, which is ohm 1. Then we need to multiply by 5 volt, which is supply voltage. Then we need to divide that value using the total resistance of the array, which is given by the 1 plus 2 plus 2, which is 5 volt. Then the answer is 1 volt. Similar to the V1, we can easily obtain the V2 and V3. Both are similar, so we have the same voltage. So then let's go for some simple experiment. Then I will be expecting you will understand more about the voltage divider rule. To show the operation of the voltage divider, here I am going to use 5 volt power supply, 2 resistor and a LED bulb as a load. The value of resistors are 10 ohm and 15 ohm. Firstly, I am going to connect resistors in series. Then I am going to give 5 volt as a supply voltage across these series connected resistors. Now let me check the voltage of each resistors using multimeter. See, voltage across the total resistance is around 5 volt. The voltage across the 10 ohm is around 2 volt. The voltage across the 15 ohm is around 3 volt. Now we can confirm that the voltage divider rule is correct. Using the voltage across the 2 ohm resistor or 3 ohm resistor, I can light up the LED bulb or any load. In here, I am going to light up the LED bulb. The next video, I will explain in details behaviors when the another resistor or load is connected in parallel with the voltage divider, which is similar to this LED.